Voice for Impact is the leader in digital communications and advanced analytics for the public sector. We modernize how government officials communicate with people, replacing limiting, costly, and unmeasurable print and broadcast media. Our patented technology reaches real people in real households through their mobile devices with unparalleled precision at a fraction of the cost of traditional media, all while measuring public reaction, campaign performance, and ROI in real time. As a result, government officials can finally shape the critical dialogue required to better reach, serve, and empower their communities. Our digital platform saves time, minimizes cost, and delivers exponential ROI while simultaneously achieving diversity, inclusion, equity, and accessibility. Without violating privacy or civil liberties, we leverage the same proven methods the private sector has used for decades. Success is measured in three distinct ways: dollars raised, behaviors changed, and/or increased awareness achieved. Voice for Impact recently partnered with Wilmington, Delaware in their parking and utility amnesty campaign. With a small investment of $9,000, the city realized ROI of 46 times, capturing more than $420,000 of previously uncollected revenue within 90 days. The city now engages audiences at 3 times the industry average, reaching over 90% of real people in real households. In the following case study, we demonstrate how our technology uses proprietary mobile location data, delivers valuable insights through customizable dashboards, serves micro-targeted digital messages to constituents, and offers the unique ability to measure campaign performance and ROI in real time, 24/7, 365 days a year. To help support a common operating picture and provide total situational awareness, we created a travel origin dashboard for a state Department of Transportation. This dashboard is powered by our patented geoframing technology, offering a user-centric platform that allows for a Department of Transportation to draw custom polygons to harvest the mobile advertising IDs, better known as MAIDs, from devices located in any given location and within any time frame ranging from the last week to the last year. The system then maps the MAIDs back to a physical address, determining points of origin and destination. This proprietary service uses Voice for Impact's exclusive mobile location data, giving transportation officials the ability to measure ROI through commuter behaviors in real time. Our unique process delivers up-to-date digital messages to real people in real households, encouraging constituents to take safer routes, visit a website, or download an app for up-to-the-minute alerts. Voice for Impact's exclusive mobile location data gives government officials the ability to measure ROI through constituent behaviors in real time. ROI is also achieved by anonymously monitoring digital communications and directly measuring actions taken through increased awareness of social channels such as a website or app. Our matchback analysis compares the households that were served the digital messages with the encrypted conversion data to show who responded and took action as a direct result of the digital campaign. This clarity will provide public officials with a true return on communication spend, enabling a higher level of confidence for running future campaigns. All this can be done without tracking codes, cookies, call tracking, or conversion pixels. When it comes to communicating with massive numbers of affected constituents or micro-targeted communities, reach is everything. Let's compare the reach of our digital communications platform to a leading social media channel. New York City posts a message on their Facebook page to its 8.5 million residents. To date, New York City has only 11,000 people following their official Facebook page. Industry standards indicate that only an average of 10%, or 1,100 people, will receive that Facebook post. As a result, only a tiny fraction, or an estimated 0.13% of the total population receives the message. In comparison, our digital communications platform reaches over 90% of targeted constituents. With a confidence level of over 90%, we focus on delivering a return on campaign spend while maximizing connectivity with intended audiences. You'll find our solution on Amazon Web Services, easily accessible on the marketplace and available through Carasoft's NASPO ValuePoint Cloud Solutions contract number AR2472. Voice for Impact is a certified, woman-owned public benefit corporation delivering sustainable technology solutions for better communities. With our best-of-breed partnerships and subject matter experts on the front lines, we are at the forefront of observing and understanding human behavior, which fuels our data-driven approach, drives our purpose, and enriches our mission. To learn more about our company and our technology, visit voiceforimpact.com.